Three boys are running on an equitriangular track with the same speed 5 meters per second as shown in the diagram. At start, they were at the three corners with velocity along indicated directions. Velocity of A, that is towards B, velocity of B, that is towards C, and velocity of C, that is towards A. The velocity of approach of any one of them towards the another at t is equal to 10 seconds is equal to, here length of each side is 100 meter. AB, BC and CA is 100 meter. In every second, distance traveled by boy is 5 meter. So in 10 seconds, distance traveled by each boy is 50 meter. So A reach at A dash point, B is at B dash point, and C is at C dash point at time t is equal to 10 seconds. Now what is the velocity of A towards B? So take the component here. Component of 5 meter per second along A dash B dash, that is 5 cos 60, and component of velocity of B along A dash B dash, that is also 5 cos 60. So component along A dash B dash for A and B, that is same 5 cos 60. So velocity of approach of A towards B along line A dash B dash is V cos 60 minus V cos 60. It means 5 cos 60 minus 5 cos 60. So it is 0. Thank you.